I spent a weekend watching 100+ YouTube videos, reading a bunch of forum threads, and scrolling through the most helpful reviews on Amazon before I even turned the chair on. The reason is simple. I've fallen for cheap massage pillows and fold-up foot massages before, only to be left with a buzzing motor that felt like a cheap handheld wand and a promise that vanished the moment the battery died. The regret hit hard because I thought I'd saved money, but I ended up buying a second, better-priced chair just to get the relief I needed. So the question I keep hearing from people like you is this BOSSCARE zero-gravity Shiatsu SL Track massage chair a smarter buy, or am I just swapping one disappointment for another? Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. Let's break down why the BOSSCARE might be the answer to that lingering hesitation, and why you might still want to walk away. First, the biggest worry with any massage chair is whether it actually fits your body and your living space. The chair's footprint is larger than a typical recliner, measuring roughly 55 inches wide and 30 inches deep. If you live in a studio or share a small apartment, fitting that in your living room could be a genuine obstacle. On the upside, the chair arrives pre-assembled, so there's no frantic "where does this bolt go" moment. You simply roll it into place, plug it in, and let the AI body scan do the rest. The scanner runs a quick sequence of sensors that map the contours of your torso, hips, and legs, then custom tunes the 4D rollers to target your specific pressure points. In my own test, the scan took about 15 seconds, and the chair immediately adjusted the position of its rollers without any manual tweaking. Now, let's talk about the actual massage experience. The SL Track is a 54-inch glide path that runs from the base of the neck down to the glutes, covering a longer stretch than the usual 36-inch tracks you see on entry-level models. That longer reach is a huge plus if you have a taller frame. The rollers move in a Shiatsu-style kneading motion, and the system offers 3 intensity levels. I'm a fairly active person who does a lot of weight training, so I gravitated toward level 3 for my back and legs after a heavy leg day. The pressure felt firm enough to loosen tight muscle knots without turning the session into a painful clampdown. For someone who just wants a gentle unwind after a day at the office, the lower settings provide a light, rhythmic motion that can be a nice alternative to a quick stretch. One feature that gets a lot of buzz is the zero-gravity position. It's essentially a recline that lifts your legs to the same height as your heart, reducing the strain on your spine and increasing circulation. Activating it is as simple as pressing a single button. The effect was immediately noticeable, my shoulder tension eased within minutes, and the sensation of floating made the foot rollers feel more effective. The foot rollers themselves have a rolling motion that works together with a mild heat element. If you've ever tried a standalone foot massager, you'll appreciate the added warmth, especially in colder months when muscles tend to stiffen up. The chair also integrates a negative ion therapy module, which claims to boost blood flow and reduce inflammation. I didn't have a scientific way to measure ion output, but the subtle tingling sensation was pleasant and didn't feel gimmicky. On the downside, the chair isn't silent. The motor and roller mechanisms generate a faint hum that's comparable to a household refrigerator running in the background. In a quiet bedroom at night, you'll hear it, but it never rose to the level of being a distraction. If you're looking for a completely mute environment, say, for a nighttime relaxation session while trying to fall asleep, this might be a small annoyance. Also, the heating function is limited to the lower back area. Users who expect full body heat may be disappointed because the seat cushions themselves stay at room temperature. The heat pad is helpful for lower back soreness, but if you cramp your thighs or glutes, you won't get the same warmth. Another practical consideration is the control panel. It's a touchscreen interface mounted on the armrest, and it offers preset programs like Deep Knead and Relax. For most people, the preset cycles work fine, but the menu hierarchy can feel a bit nested. You have to tap a few options to adjust the roller intensity independently for the upper back versus the lower back. If you're not tech-savvy, You might spend a minute or two figuring out the exact combination you want. That learning curve is not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you prefer a one-button, set-and-forget model. Who should buy this chair? The answer is fairly straightforward: anyone who spends a lot of time on their feet, does regular sports training, or suffers from chronic lower back tension, and wants a home spa experience that can partially replace a weekly massage therapist visit. The extended,